Most people get this wrong. They think language learning apps are all the same. But the surprising truth is that Tandem focuses on connecting you with real people to practice your target language. Today, I'll give you an honest review based on my experience. Tandem is a language exchange app where you can chat with native speakers via text, audio, or video. You won't believe what happens next. You can find partners for over 150 languages, from Spanish and French to Japanese and Swahili. The platform encourages mutual learning, so you can teach your native language in exchange. The app also offers professional tutors for more structured lessons, which is great if you want guidance alongside free practice. Another benefit is the built-in correction tools. Your language partners can suggest edits in real time, helping you learn faster. The surprising truth is how customizable the experience is. You can filter partners by language level, location, or availability, and schedule sessions that fit your routine. The community also has groups for specific interests, so you can practice vocabulary related to hobbies, business, or travel. However, there are downsides. Tandem relies on community engagement, so some users may be inactive, and finding consistent partners can take time. Paid subscriptions unlock extra features like unlimited translations and advanced filters, which may be necessary for serious learners. In conclusion, Tandem is ideal for learners who want real-life practice and cultural exchange. If you combine this with structured study or formal courses, it's a powerful tool to improve fluency. Subscribe for more honest app reviews to discover the best tools for learning languages effectively.